Hello everyone, my name is Liza and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I thought I'd create a video to help show you around the classroom. It might be new for you, so I want to help make this as comfortable for you as possible. So let me get started pointing out a few things around the class just so you know where things are. The first thing I want to point out is your announcements. So if you click on the announcements, here you'll see all the announcements that I've posted. You should be clicking in the announcements page each time you log in just to see if I've posted anything new. These announcements will help you be successful in class, so they're really important to you. So please make sure that you are reading through these each week. I've posted a few so far, and I will post one or two each week. Probably the most important piece right here is the modules. The modules is probably where you're going to be the most because each week it tells you what is due. It will tell you the objectives. It will tell you what assignments you have. It will tell you the discussion. So make sure that you read through all of these things in your course home first. You can also click on the faculty introduction and my contact, my office hours. I posted a little bio about myself right here, and it has some contact information underneath here. Tells you when I'm available. I'm basically available anytime you need help. You just should set up an appointment or email me, and we can set up a time to meet via the phone if you want. You can email me at any time. I will respond to you within 12 to 24 hours. I'm pretty quick with my emails, so I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It explains under tutoring right here that with the vital information that I have, I can help you. So the more specific you can be, the better. When you want to ask for assistance, you can include answers to some of the following questions that you might have. Make sure you look through this, the learning time, like how much time are you spending watching the lectures? Are you reading the textbook? What's a good time to contact you, to arrange like a tutorial if you're struggling with a specific question. If you have a specific problem you're struggling with, send me the problem. Tell me how you're working it out, and then tell me what step you're stuck on. And that way I can help you better. Make sure that you read through the syllabus, which you can find on the left-hand side of the classroom. This talks about the course description. It tells you what the objectives are. It tells you how you're going to be graded. It mentions the late policy that I've also posted in the announcements. It talks about the grading scales and some of your responsibilities. And really important, let's make sure that we don't plagiarize. Make sure that your discussions are basically in your own words. I am going to ask you to cite if you have to pick a quote from something, make sure you cite it. Just make sure that you're following all of the policies of CHCP. I want to point out that in each discussion, okay, you have, can't get to it, but let me get out of this student view and into my view so I can just show you. But for the discussion, it's really important that you read the question. It's really important that you read our rubric. So it says to read the discussion question. You are to post 5 to 10 sentence response to the discussion topic using examples and personal experiences. And I want you to integrate a quote from your weekly reading assignment into your post. This is where it's really important to use APA format and cite the quote that you take. Make sure you cite it. Where did you get it from? What's the source? What's the page number? For your peer reviews, you need to have 2, and they're due by Sunday. You should be posting a 3 to 5 sentence reply to each of your to peers. Your initial discussion post is due by Wednesday. If you're experiencing any technical issues, you can click on Technical Support. And here you'll find different ideas, maybe help for your computer. If you need help with Canvas, there's a spot here. If you need help with McGraw-Hill Connect, it's right here. In order to message me, you can click right here and it will tell you where to go. And last but not least, your grades. When you click on grades, you'll see the different assignments, when they're due by, and how I scored you, and you'll be able to view your feedback when you click on it. I'm so excited to work with all of you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I want to really help make your experience here a successful one. Can't wait to work with you.